Whether you've slept in a funny position or pulled a muscle during your workout, having back pain is no fun. There are many products available to choose inversion tables, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best inversion tables from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Innova Health and Fitness ITM 5900 Advanced Heat. Innova's ITM 590 inversion table received no less than a 4 across our most important attributes, earning a spot as our top pick. Beyond being well designed with a padded head and backrest, the 590 is easy to use, per our tester. All you have to do is propel yourself back with the handlebars and let your 2 arms dangle. The table comes with ankle securing pieces so you don't have to worry about falling while inverted. I was really impressed with this inversion table, said a Verywell tester. I trusted it to support me, invert safely, and hold up well over time. One caveat of the table is that it's heavy and requires 2 people to assemble and move. Overall, it's easy to use, safe, and comfortable. Number 2. Innova Inversion Table. If you're looking for an affordable table that gets the job done, we'd recommend Innova's ITX 960. This table comes with a large backrest, foam handlebars, and adjustable ankle holders to keep you safe and comfortable while inverted. This inversion table was easy to use and felt secure enough that I wasn't worried about falling while using it, said Verywell's tester. This 4'6" by 2'8" by 63 inches table is also easy to use and weighs 52 pounds, which is lighter than other tables. Our tester noted that the inversion table inverts quickly, so it is best to hold onto the handle as a precaution. I like that this table was straightforward to use, but users should be aware of how quickly it inverts you, they explained. If you're not holding onto it, you can fly backwards pretty quickly. Number 3. Innova Health and Fitness ITM 4800 Advanced Heat. Innova's Health and Fitness ITM 480 comes with a lumbar pad that does double duty as a heater and massager. So not only will you be inverted, you'll get to relieve backaches and pains. The heating feature was the best aspect of this table. It really helped provide that relaxing sensation while inverting, said Verywell's tester. The 480 has other notable features, including a heavy-duty steel frame, adjustable headrest, padded backrest, and foam handlebars, making for a comfortable and safe inversion process. It also has a weight capacity of 300 pounds and can accommodate users between 410 and 66. Number 4. Cheater EP 560 Limited Inversion Table for Back Pain. If you're experiencing back pain, we'd recommend Cheater's EP 560 Inversion Table. It comes with adjustable acupressure nodes of varying heights to relieve back and muscle tension while inverted. Simply put both of your hands back to be flipped upside down. While the Cheater does not have a padded backrest, it comes with a pillow for support. Some of the parts come pre-assembled, only requiring 5 steps that took no more than 15 minutes, our tester noted. I really appreciated how easy it was to assemble this inversion table. Although it requires 2 people, setup took roughly 15 minutes 20 minutes, faster than any other inversion tables, they said. The Cheater received no less than a 4.5 across all attributes except for portability, where it scored a 4. All in all, Cheater's EP 560 is easy to use, comfortable, and adjustable. Number 5. HARISON Heavy Duty Inversion Table. Inverting requires a sturdy table to prevent falling, and this one from Harrison is heavy duty. Made of steel frames, Harrison's inversion table can invert 180 degrees and support a 350-pound capacity. The backrest is made of memory foam that contours to the shape of your back, and the table has an adjustable frame that accommodates people who are between 43 and 65. Because the table is made of heavy-duty materials, it can be hard to transport or move, according to our tester. To transport, we'd recommend grabbing a helping hand. Overall, this is a heavy-duty inversion table that is cumbersome, but comfortable and feels well-designed and stable, said one Verywell tester. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.